Hey everyone, Ijin here, and today I'm unboxing the K9 wireless microphone. I chose for Type-C and iPhone version. Let's dive right in and see what's inside this sleek package. Let's start unboxing. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited, guys. Let's open the box, guys. Let's see what's inside the box. First up, we have the star of the show, the lavalier microphone. This little powerhouse is going to make your audio sound incredible. This is on and off button. USB Type-C charging port. This lavalier microphone is compact and delivers professional-grade audio, perfect for vlogging, interviews, and more. Next, we've got the receiver. What's great is that it comes with both a Type-C and a Lightning iOS adapter, so it's compatible with a wide range of devices. With the receiver's versatile adapters, you can connect it to smartphones, cameras, and even your iPad or iPhone. You'll also find a Type-C charging cable in the box, ensuring that your microphone is always ready to go when you are. Charging is a breeze with the included Type-C cable, ensuring that you're always powered up for your recordings. And of course, we can't forget the user manual. It's your guide to getting the most out of your K9 wireless microphone. And remember, if you ever have any questions or need assistance, the user manual has got your back. So, that's everything you'll find inside the K9 wireless microphone box. It's a complete package for elevating your audio game. Stay tuned because in my next video, we'll put this K9 to the test and see how it performs. Thanks for joining me on this unboxing journey, and until next time, happy recording!